It's not every day you get to unbox something that's worth 6 digits. Over $100,000. And you don't want to. Look at the case it comes in. All 41 kilos of it. Let's go. It's even got really neat latches on it. I love it. Oh, look at this. Won't even fit in the boot of my car. Forget it. Alright, here we go. Oh, hey! Check it out. Oh. Agilent 90,000 series. I am not worthy. I am not worthy. I am not worthy. And it turns out I was just a little bit underestimating the price of this thing. This is the DSA 91304A, and it retails for about 140, almost 140,000 Australian dollars. I kid you not. It is absolutely bleeding edge. It is the 13 gigahertz 4-channel model DSA 91304A. There it is in all its glory. It runs Windows XP. Woohoo! Great. And what we have here is a not quite a matching. Well, it's a 12 gigahertz Infinium probe 1169A. So this thing is worth, I think, just over about 11,000 Australian dollars just for the one probe. And here it is. If you've never seen an $11,000 probe before, there it is, differential probe, 12 gigahertz in all its glory. Fantastic. And of course you get all the nice little doodads with it, the high frequency little coaxial connectors and things like that, and a whole bunch of other probe tips. But yeah, that's almost 12k Australian worth. Oh, beautiful. And here it is, sitting in my garage. I've got to wonder, how much would I get at Cash Converters for it? And you take the cover off, and here it is. Ta-da! Performance enhanced. DSA 91304A, 13 gigahertz, 40 gig samples per second. And the thing is all screen. Look at it. Massive screen. There's not much left over for the controls at all. And for color-coded, they're using standard BNCs there, or nicely gold-plated, of course. Brilliant. But apart from that, it's a pretty Spartan front panel. There's not much doing there at all. Look at the tiny little horizontal knob. Geez, I want something bigger than that for $140,000.